As the day dawns, the world wakes up to the vibrancy of globalization, expanding boundaries and integrating a broad education. But one element that remains imperative in this domain of global education is excellency in quality. This is where we stand out to be the best. We are one of India's leading overseas consultant. We are Hyderabad Overseas Consultant.
Hi everyone, this is Afreen and I'm from Hyderabad Overseas Consultant. Continuation to our previous video where my colleague was discussing about interview guidelines which is going to be conducted by VFS office. I am here in addition to the same points. First point, self-introduction. What student must talk about themselves during self-introduction. Now, self-introduction is more about the student by themselves. Example, they have to talk about their academics, they have to talk about their hobbies, they have to talk about their family details, sponsor details and their annual income. If they have any gap, need to explain in detail about the gap. Now, second point, why you are choosing UK as your option. Student must be very specific about the country when you are talking about UK. Example, you need to talk about the historic places, you need to talk about the intakes, you need to talk about the living expenses, you need to talk about the tuition fee structures, accreditation with the universities, shorter durations, and they are accepting 15 years of education. Most important point, most of the university in that country is offering you placements and work options. In fact, the dependents are eligible to work full-time in UK. Third question, comparison with countries. Why you are choosing UK, why not other countries? So you have to talk more about the climatic conditions if it is not suiting you. Example, Canada. When we are talking about USA, you can talk about the intakes and the longer duration of admission process. Admission criteria, tuition fee structure, entrance exams like GRE, GMAT, SAT. These are few entrance exams which student must undergo for USA process or maybe Canada process also. So this you have to highlight while comparing about the countries. Now the third important point, why not India? When you are talking about our own country, you should not degrade about our education systems, but you can clearly put across the points. For example, there are many top institutes, but we have to undergo for certain exams. Intake per year, tuition fee structure, students are not able to process or apply critical thinking or analytical thinkings. So you can more talk about the subjects, international exposure, communication skills that student would be lacking. Now, why you are choosing this specific university? You have to compare the university with other universities in UK. What research you did on other universities with the same specific programs. Remember this, you have to be very specific about the programs while comparing the universities also. So when we are talking about the universities, not only ranking matters but also about the placement, about the faculty, about the course curriculum, about the facilities that university must be giving. Maybe they are offering you career guidelines, maybe they are giving you internship or placement options, maybe they are offering you scholarships. So these are few points you have to be very specific while describing about the university. Now coming to your future plan, you have to choose one of your module which you are choosing from your master's degree and compare it with your future plan. How this program is going to enhance your future. You have to describe it very clearly, short-term and long-term goal. You have to talk about the salary ranges also. You need to give the research details, from where you got these details, from where you got to know the packages of the salaries. So you have to be very specific when you are talking about the future plan. You have to show strong ties to return back to home country. So these are few points which you need to keep in mind. And when it comes to your sponsorship details, be clear about your sponsor details. They are going to cross questions you maybe about your annual income of your parents, if your parents are having any dependents. So you have to talk clearly about the annual income, how you are going to sponsor yourself or your parents are going to sponsor you. For more such details, do not forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.